Hello, everyone. Today we are learning a very common English phrase, rule of thumb. What does rule of thumb mean? Imagine you need to make a quick decision or estimate something without exact measurements or complicated calculations. A rule of thumb is a practical, easy way to do something based on experience rather than scientific accuracy. It is a general guide, not a strict law. It's like a helpful tip that usually works, but it might not be perfect every single time. Here are some ideas to help you remember it. Think about measuring something roughly with your actual thumb. For example, people used their thumb to estimate an inch in the past. Or think of it as a rough guide or a quick estimate. It's about doing things simply and practically. Let's look at some examples. First, as a rule of thumb, it takes about 20 minutes to walk to the train station from here. This means usually it takes around 20 minutes, but it could be a little more or less depending on how fast you walk. Second, a good rule of thumb for saving money is to try to save 10% of your salary each month. This is a general piece of advice that many people follow to build savings. Third, when you're cooking pasta, a rule of thumb is to use 1 liter of water for every 100 grams of pasta. This gives you a general idea of how much water to use, but you don't need to measure it precisely every time. So remember, a rule of thumb is a simple, practical guide, usually based on experience, that helps you make quick decisions or estimates. It's not always exact, but it's often good enough. Keep practicing these phrases to improve your English. Happy learning.